Perimeter of a square. Square is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal. Thus, P is equal to S plus S plus S plus S, or P is equal to 4S, where P stands for perimeter of the square and S for the side. Properties of a square. All interior angles are right angles. All sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. The diagonals are equal. And it is a special case of quadrilateral, parallelogram, rhombus, and rectangle. Let's try an illustrative example. If the side of the square is equal to 3 inches, then what is the perimeter? Again, using the formula, P is equal to 4S. P is equal to 4 times 3 inches. Then P is equal to 12 inches. And this is now the perimeter of our square having a side of 3 inches. Another example. If the perimeter of our square is 8 meters, then what is the side of a square? So P is equals to 4S. Then our perimeter is 8 meters is equals to 4S. Then divide both sides by 4. So the side is equal to 2 meters. And this is now the measure of the side of a square having a perimeter of 8 meters. Now let's proceed to the perimeter of a rectangle. Rectangle is a quadrilateral whose two opposite sides are equal. Properties of a rectangle. All interior angles are right angles. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. The diagonals are equal. And the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle is P is equals to length plus width plus width. Or P is equals to 2L plus 2W, or P is equals to 2 times the sum of the length and width, where P is the perimeter, L is the length, and W is the width. Let's try an illustrative example. If the length of a rectangle is 6 cm, then the width is equals to 8 cm. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? Using the formula, P is equals to 2 times L plus width. So P is equals to 2 times our length is 6 cm plus our width is 8 cm. P is equals to 2, and get the sum of the length and the width, which is 14 cm, and the perimeter is equals to 28 cm. And this is now the measure or the perimeter of a rectangle having a length of 6 cm and width of 8 cm. Another example. If the width of a rectangle is 4 feet, then the perimeter is 20 feet. Then what is the length? So using the formula, P is equals to 2L plus 2 width or 2W. Then the perimeter of a rectangle is 20 feet is equals to 2L plus 2 times the width, which is 4 feet. Then 20 feet is equals to 2L plus 8 feet. Then subtract both sides by 8 feet. So 20 feet minus 8 feet is equals to 2L plus 8 feet minus 8 feet. Cancel this one. So 20 feet minus 8 feet which gives you 12 feet, is equals to 2L. And we need to find the measure of the length. Divide both sides by 2. Okay, so the length of a rectangle is 6 feet. Perimeter of a parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose two opposite sides are equal and parallel. If the sides of a parallelogram are A and B, then its perimeter is P is equals to 2 times A plus B. Properties of a parallelogram: opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, consecutive angles are supplementary, the diagonals bisect each other, and a diagonal divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Let's try an illustrative example. If A is equal to 8 cm, then B is equals to 7 cm. What is now the perimeter of our parallelogram? Using the formula, P is equals to 2 times A plus B. P is equals to 2 times 8 cm plus the value of our B, which is 7 cm. Then P is equals to 2 times the sum of 8 cm plus 7 cm is 15 cm. So 2 times 15, our P is equals to 30 cm. And this is now the perimeter of our parallelogram, having a side measures 8 cm and 7 cm. Example number 2. If A is equals to 6 inches, then the perimeter is equals to 20 inches. What is the B? So P is equals to 2A plus 2B. Then P, our perimeter is 20 inches equals 2 times 6 inches plus 2B. So 20 inches equals 12 inches plus 2B. Then subtract both sides by 12 inches. So 20 inches minus 12 inches equals 12 inches minus 12 inches plus 2B. Then 20 inches minus 12 inches will gives you 8 inches equals to 2B. Divide both sides by 2. So the measures of our B, or the measure of our B, is 4 inches. That's all. Thank you. I hope you've learned a lot. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more mathematics videos.